Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Mindgrasp AI subscription. All right, let's begin. To start, log in to the Mindgrasp AI account associated with the subscription you wish to terminate. Locate your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click it to reveal the settings menu. Within the settings section, select the Billing tab to view your current plan details. Scroll down until you find the Cancel Subscription option and click it. You will be redirected to a new page that may take a moment to load. Instead of a standard cancel button, Mindgrasp asks you to confirm that you no longer want to receive premium benefits. Select this option to proceed. A warning will appear notifying you that canceling will result in the loss of all your saved class materials. If you are certain, check the box confirming you understand the loss of data and wish to continue. Finally, you must fill out a brief cancellation form explaining your reason for leaving. Once the form is complete, hit the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message thanking you and verifying that your subscription has been successfully canceled. So that's basically how you can cancel Mindgrasp AI subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.